Hello and welcome to the second video in the testing series for my project. We're going to be covering the maze generation in this video. And what we're going to be doing is generating 3 different mazes and measuring the time to generate the maze, checking if the maze is solvable and valid, and also checking the performance whilst we're in the maze. So we're going to first generate the default size maze, which is 21 by 21 cells. So we're going to start timer as we generate the maze. And as you can see, it was less than 3 seconds, so very swift maze generation. In this 2D mode, you can see the valid start point. We start out in the top left hand corner, and the end point, the escape, in the bottom right hand corner. And this is therefore a solvable maze. And the performance whilst we're in the maze is obviously what I'm on a game offers 60 frames per second flat, and it's perfect, working perfectly fine here. So I think that passes all the tests. I'm going to reset the timer there, and this time we're going to generate a 11 by 11, which is the minimum you can go, maze, just to test that lower boundary. So we're going to press start, and it's less than a second to generate the maze this time because it's so small. Again, starting in the bottom left, the top left hand corner, and a valid exit in the bottom right hand corner. And obviously the processing in this maze is completely fine and what we would hope for. There's our exit. So I'm going to close that maze down and restart our timer and generate the next maze, which will be testing the upper boundary, which is 31 by 31 cells. Now I'll get a timer. Going to have to be this time. This maze takes a bit longer to generate due to it was over 6 seconds there, and there's a bit of a lag when we first join into the maze. So that's a bit of a reduction in performance there. That's because of the reason why it takes a bit of extra time is the polynomial time complexity of the algorithm for maze generation. And luckily there, it is solvable. We start in the top left hand corner, and the bottom right hand corner there is an exit, so it's completely solvable. And the performance when you're actually in the maze is very good, and there is no significant drop in quality. So that's it. I think passed all the tests there, and in the next video we're going to be going actually introducing a breakpoint and checking some of the variables.